All right, so about a month ago, I went to, let's start over. Hi guys, it's been a bit. But about a month ago, I went to Atlanta for East 10 Round 4 and ended up taking my car. Basically, it was a work trip. So all day Saturday, we pretty much answered questions, helped out racers. It was the points deciding race. So we did award an elite ECU and ended up signing up a couple other guys for, some Haltech stuff. So that's pretty awesome. I'm really excited. Matt the Ginge, I don't know if you guys follow Matt. If you do, he's a Haltech boy now. I'm excited for that. I think he could really use it. He was on a stock ECU. But enough of that. So went down, pretty much worked all day Saturday. There was a little intermission where they asked me to take the car out, and I did the layout. And boy, that felt good. I actually put a 305 on the back of the car because I got a pair for nothing. So I had maybe 4 or 5 passes on the tires that they were used. I aired them way up. They were like 35 pounds. And boy, that is a lot of grip in those things. It was a Nitto Invo. It was off my buddy Pat's Supra. He got a new pair of tires, so I put those on my car. They barely fit. I mean, like, barely. It's very tight. So did the layout. Man, I felt fantastic. After, getting... These tires are old. Getting the nasty knocked off of them. I was able to actually send it like I would have been trying to do a qualifying run, and I felt really good. I was able to put the car where they wanted the car. Not that it meant anything, but it was fun for a show and it was fun for me. So Sunday, I got to go out and tandem with a bunch of the guys that were there. Ended up spending a lot more of the day working, actually, getting video and shooting some pictures and doing a lot of technical stuff for Haltech for work. So I ended up working most of the day and got maybe 4 hours worth of driving in. Then we ended up loading up, figured out we didn't have any trailer brakes, and yeah. So we had a full trailer with my car in it, no trailer brakes. Great. But loaded up, ended up hitting a bunch of traffic. We didn't get home until like 3 or 3:30 in the morning. That was rough. That was really rough. Ended up sleeping a few hours, getting the kids ready for school, taking them to daycare. And I went into work because we have a crazy deadline. Not really crazy. I was trying to make an accelerated deadline for a project at work. You guys will see that and soon-ish. Before PRI. You guys will see it before PRI on Haltech social media stuff first, and then you guys will see it on my stuff. I'll take you guys a little more in-depth if you have any questions about it. But yeah, so we got back, went in, worked on that. Crazy time. Good time, though. Got to talk to a bunch of drivers, got to tell them, kind of get some of my insight on being a driver now that I've been at Haltech and worked in the industry. It's a big difference from what you would think. So it was a good time. Had a good time talking to everybody and enlightening a lot of people that had no idea like what they could gain from actually going to a Haltech over like a stock ECU or whatever. So that was fun. Great time. I'm going to throw a bunch of clips in and let you guys enjoy them. It was so hot that my GoPros and stuff overheated, so some of the stuff I just didn't get. I am going to throw some of the drone footage that was captured that they sent me, which was really, 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 really cool. I'll put his information in the description below. And yeah, enjoy. out the stuff from East 10. There was a little bit, not a whole lot. This video probably wasn't very long, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll be seeing you guys soon, I hope. Yeah, that's it. See you guys soon.